Good morning, year 6 students. Today we would like to continue our discussion about integers. Specifically, we are going to discuss the operation of integers. How many are integers operations? There are 4 integers operations. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But in this discussion, we will focus on adding and subtracting integers, even though we will discuss a little bit about multiplication operation, since we need it in solving addition and subtraction problems. So at the end of this discussion, I hope later you can add and subtract integers. Now, let's proceed to discuss the rules for integers. First, if you see in equation signs are the same, it means you need to add the numbers. The answer will get the sign of the largest number. Example, negative 5 minus 1 is equal to negative 6. Since number 5 and number 1 have the same sign, we need to add them. And 5 is the largest number, its sign is negative. That is why the answer is a negative number. It is a negative 6. Second, if you see in equation signs are different, it means you need to subtract the numbers, but the answer will get the sign of the largest number too. Example, negative 5 plus 1 is equal to negative 4. It is because number 5 has a negative sign and number 1 has a positive sign. That is why we need to subtract them. Number 5 is the largest number. Its sign is a negative. That is the reason why the answer is a negative number. It is a negative 4. The other rule for integers, if the parentheses or round brackets are involved, it means we get to doodle, since we will see two signs side by side. And this condition will make us multiply the sign to make it become only one sign. That is why it is necessary to discuss and memorize the rules for integers in multiplication. First, when you multiply a positive sign and negative sign, you will get a negative sign. Second, when you multiply a negative and positive sign, you will get a negative sign. Third, when you multiply a positive sign and positive sign, you will get a positive sign. It will be the same as multiplying negative and negative sign. You will also get a positive sign. Let's check this example. What is 5 plus negative 1? 5 plus negative 1 is equivalent to 5 minus 1. Why? Because as we can see, we have two signs side by side. Then we need to multiply them for getting one sign only. A positive sign is multiplied by a negative sign, it will be a negative sign. That is why 5 plus negative 1 become 5 minus 1. The answer is 4. Try to check the other examples. Find out how and why you can get those answers. That's all for our discussion today. Thank you.